Hey, it's me, it's John06. Magandang umaga. And also, excited kasi I got this. And ano tong box na ito? Let's find out. So, ito nga ako. Itong box na to ay binili ko lang kahapon. More like kagabi sa favorite kong PC store. Okay. This is a PC component. And it cost me 3,300. Pero pag hindi mo to kinash at dinebit card mo to, or kinredit card mo to, this will cost you 3,560. Yeah. And what is this box? It is an Intel SSD 6. Yeah. Ayan. It is a M.2 80mm PCIe interface, hindi siya SATA. 3.0 X4. Yeah. It has a 5-year limited warranty, pero ang PC store na pinagbilhan ko nito ay 1-year warranty lang. And nakaselyo siya, so yeah. Saan natin ito ikakabit? Of course, sa aking powerhouse. Nandito siya sa baba ngayon. Papakita ko maya-maya lang. Powerhouse powerhouse, more like my gaming rig and my editing rig. And yep, meron siyang 512 GB of storage. And also, this is an SSD and NVMe interface pa. Mas mabilis ito kasi sa SATA. Ito yung pagkakabitan ko nito. So, ayan ay it is a Core i5 machine, 7th gen. Di pa ako nag-upgrade. Pero maybe in the future, I'll upgrade to 10th gen or maybe 11th gen. Depende na lang kung ano yung budget. And this has 1050 Ti NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. And it has already had a SATA SSD here. Nandito siya sa gilid, nakakabit doon sa case. And meron din itong SATA HDD. Pero this one will make a difference. Pero hindi ko ililipat yung yung installation ng Windows ko ay nasa SATA SSD. Ang paggagamitan ko nito is other stuff. Kasi ang sikip na ng aking 1TB hard drive. It needs cleaning. So, yung ibang stuff, dito na lang sa SSD 6. And also, some of the games ay dito. Or maybe all of it. I don't know. Paplanuhin ko na lang kapag nakabit ko to. Okay, firstly, let's disconnect everything here in this PC. So, una sa harap, this is my headset cable. Okay, baba natin ito. Okay. Goku, dito ka muna. And let's turn off the supply. Yan. Off na yung supply. So let's disconnect everything here. One by one. The video cable, the audio cable. Oops. Audio cable here. Ethernet. Hirap nito. There you go. Keyboard. I think this is the keyboard. Nope, this is the mouse. G102 Light Sync. And this is my G Pro keyboard. I-disconnect ko lang dito sa aking likod sa motherboard. The camera, the printer. Ano pa ba? Ito ay ano to? Okay, the speaker and my condenser mic. Okay, all disconnected except the power cable here sa Okay, there you go. Lahat ay disconnected na and I will bring this down sa baba. So, this is heavy as fudge. Yan. Kailangan din ang linis nito. Our SSD 6. Of course, hindi mawala ang the hefty screwdriver. There you go. And SSD itself. Let's go down. Paalala lang sa lahat na hindi ito tutorial. Isa lang tong tech video vlog or tech vlog if you will. Hindi ito tutorial, so pag hindi nyo alam yung ginagawa nyo, please, gawin nyo sa may alam, okay? Yun. Yun lang masasabi ko. Again, this is not a tutorial. This is for entertainment purposes, I guess. Yeah, or I don't know. Basta, hindi to tutorial. So, nandito na ako sa labas, mga kaibigan. And, eto yung mga tools na gagamitin natin. Paintbrush, pang linis ng labas at loob. Pwede rin mga fans. And, screwdriver para iskrew tong SSD6 and the SSD6 itself. Para ikabit sa M.2 slot na nasa loob ng ano. Mamaya ipapakita ko pag nabuksan na natin tong case na to. Okay? It's madumi. So, linisin natin muna. So, ayan po. Nabrush ko na ng konti. Pero pupunasan ko pa yan. Ngayon, okay, before you do something on the inside of your PC, i-ground mo muna ang sarili mo. How to do grounding? Just touch a faucet and madi-discharge ka na. Okay, I'm just touching the faucet and there you go. Another hand for just a good measure. Ayan, okay, grounded ka na and wala ka ng charge. Ganon mag-discharge. Okay, people, pwede rin yung doorknob nyo if you want. Or kung wala talaga kayong pwede kayo mag-discharge sa case. Just touch the grounded part of the case. Like, I don't know, this one. Pag na na-ESD ka dito, di ibig sabihin, discharge ka na. Okay. I don't know kung tama yung technical term ko doon, pero yeah. Just ground yourself. Ground yourself muna bago ka gumawa sa loob. Let's remove this thumb screw. Bakit thumb screw ang tawag dito? Kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng screwdriver para maalis to. And baka ma-triggered kayo kasi ang aking cable management ay it sucks. It sucks so bad. Look at this. See? It sucks. I know it sucks. sorry sa mga nati-triggered sa mga ganitong bagay-bagay. And yan po ang ating loob. Pero as long as you have sufficient airflow sa loob, then you're in good. Kasi nandito yung intake. Okay naman yung buga ng intake. And here's our exhaust. Meron pang exhaust sa gilid. Ito. So I think I'm good. I don't know. Please don't judge me. Sorry for this crappy cable management. Yun yung mission natin. Sorry, di makafocus. Currently, yung Intel Optane yung nakaano dyan. But, unfortunately, my motherboard doesn't want Optane. Yeah. Ibig sabihin, kahit Intel motherboard to or Intel 7th gen tong motherboard to, and actually, Intel Optane is supported for 7th gen, pero yung motherboard mo ay hindi, wala kang Optane technology dito. So, it's just useless for now. Unless mag-upgrade ako sa motherboard na may Intel Optane technology. Pero ito, may purpose to. This is a storage. This is also a storage, pero 16 gigabytes lang. And this is for pampabilis lang ng hard drive mo. This is my hard drive, Seagate Barracuda. Nandito yung SSD na SATA. Ayan, nakakonect. And yun yung mission natin. Ayan yung mission natin. Palitan yung Intel Optane na yan. Let's go. So, here we go. Tatanggalin na natin tong Intel Optane memory na to. And lalagay natin dito sa ating yan yung Intel SSD 6 natin. And sorry for this angle. I know that this is atrocious as F. Pero gagawin na natin to. Firstly, let's unscrew everything. Unscrew that screw there. Oh shoot. This is hard. This is hard, mate. I don't wanna short everything. Okay, hawakan ko na lang to. Okay. I think this... Okay, I'm just unscrewing the Intel Optane here. Okay. Buti na lang meron akong ano dito, screw. Okay. Gagamitin natin tong screw na to ulit. Kasi wala siyang included screw. Yeah. So, ayun po. Intel Optane natin. Okay, I'll discharge first by touching the case. There you go. And pink. There you go. Here's the Intel Optane and buksan na natin to. So yan, ikakabit ko na dito yung ating Intel SSD 6 sa motherboard. And this is an M key. So saktong-sakto sa slot ko. So yan, nakakabit ko na siya pero okay, babalik ko ulit tong screw na to. Nasaan yun? Itong screw na to. If nakikita nyo, ayan, screw na yan. So, ayan, dito sa ano, sa ano na yun, mounting screw na yun. And I'll be back in a sec. So, yun. Ito na. Nakakabit na ating Intel SSD 6. And linisin natin tong ano, case. Medyo madumi. Alright. Sige. Let's go. So, ito na. Nalinis ko na yung case. And ibabalik ko na yung mga devices ko dito sa motherboard. I mean sa dito. Sa aking, you know, sa aking rig. Right. So, una muna is wala ko ng space. So, ganyan natin si Miko Chan yan. So, AC input to our power supply. So, oh, ito. Okay, here we go. This is our, ano to? I think this is the camera, okay? Camera. Dito ka. Yan, hindi ko natatandaan. Okay, ito ay condenser. Wait. Printer. This is the keyboard. And saan pa? This is the mouse. Okay. Although hindi nyo nakikita, I'm just telling you ano yung kinukunik ko dito. Okay, speaker naman. Ethernet. Kasi pag wala ng Ethernet, walang internet. I think that's it. Wala na ba akong nakakalimutan? No, syempre. Wag natin kakalimutan yung video cable. Paano natin makikita to sa monitor? Of course, the HDMI. Wag kakalimutan. Kalimutan ang HDMI. Tapos, tingnan natin kung mag-post. Ayan, ang nakakakabang part. Tingnan ko lang kung mag-post eh. Okay, power supply on. Okay. So far, so good. Hey, nandito na ako sa room and na-connect ko na lahat ng mga devices ko. That's why nandito na ako nagre-record sa camera na to kasi wala nang storage yung phone ko and ililipat ko yung mga vid dito sa aking rig para i-edit. Okay? Itong video na to ay included din sa first part of the installation sensation. Okay? So, the next part of the installation sensation na nagagawin ko is ko-configure natin yung SSD 6. Actually, medyo na-configure ko na siya kasi ginawa ko na siyang GPT and whatnot. Kasi naka-UEFI ako so kailangan GPT siya. Wala lang. You know, GPT is good and newer standard, storage standard, okay, kaysa sa master boot record. Kahit 512 GB lang to, GPT pa rin pinili ko. Oh, anyway, nagiging technical tayo masyado, so i-explain ko na lang siya sa next video. And it's me, it's John06. See you on the next one, and sayonara.